Okay, what causes these arms to break? This one's pretty solid. This one's pretty loose, which means I'm going to break those fitting. I'm going to call them fittings. I forgot the name of them anyway. So the best thing to do is to pull that off like we did and tighten that nut up, and then put it right back on, and then you're fine. You won't have to worry about the arm breaking. Okay, we've got an armchair where you put your arm on the office chair, and we took it apart because it just kept going around and around. And these two dealy boppers here have broke off, and I know what that's from. It's from somebody. Well, I'll show you on this chair. It's when somebody's getting up out of the chair and they push on it to get themselves out. So they just did it one too many times and broke these two things off. And probably too, this bolt may have come loose, and of course that would add to the breaking of it. But anyway, what we're going to do, we've got some JB quick weld. We're going to mix it up. We're going to set them on here, let that dry, and then we're going to drill some holes in here and put screws in there, because I can trust the JB quick to work, but it needs a little extra mechanical help. So let's take this, let me take this outside. Don't want to take my two parts yet. I'm going to mix this up and get this ready. Okay, I've got my JB quick weld, equal parts. We've only got just a few minutes to mix this up, so let's not let it take too awfully long. That's a good thing about these paint lids. They always come in handy for stuff like this. Yep, that's the one that goes there. Okay, so we want to put some on here. We'll try to cover it as best you can. This is one reason why you want to wear gloves. Okay. That felt like that seated in like it's supposed to. Okay, there's one. Okay. We have got them set in place. Now we just wait, you know, however long it takes for it to set up. Clamps off on the first one. Okay, let's try it. Looks like this thing in here broke, but that's probably what started the whole thing. Let's put our nut and washer back on, and we're ready to go back together. Okay, it's good and tight. Okay, we're ready to go back on. Well, I've got Buddy Warren in here. He's been helping me fix this chair. So here we go. Let me see it, Warren. It's not doing any good at all. No, I think it's both of us.
Yeah.
That's right there.
No, that's the long one. Long one goes in here.
You sure about that?
Yeah.
You can try your luck on that one.
Got it.
All right. Hey, let me flip it up. See if it's going to work. I bet it will too. Oh yeah. Yeah, I can push myself up. Hole's good.
Even feels the same.
Yeah. Okay. I don't think I'm going to get worn out of it. I think that's it for Warren. He's going to fall asleep in that thing. He'll lean back and that's it. Okay, good night, Warren.